to our distinguished members of the Search Committee, our very energetic President, Dr. Faye Lauraya, to our deans and directors, to our faculty members and staff, to our dear students, guests, good morning. I am Arnulfo Mascareñas, a graduate degree holder of PhD in Community Development and MS in Rural Sociology. I am a faculty member of the BU Graduate School and the BU College of Business, Economics and Management with the rank of Professor 6. I am the director of the BU Research and Development Center and the director of the CHE Higher Education Regional Research Center since 2012 in concurrent capacity. I was very unfortunate that I've been entrusted by the university with various positions, which I repaid with hard work and pursuit for excellence. My present and past positions in the university have prepared me so well, including my active engagement in consultancy work and engagement in the community, plus my dedication to teaching for the position that I am now seeking. I recognize the trailblazing efforts of the past and present BU presidents in laying the foundation towards excellence and for what we are now. Collectively, we pursued the challenge of making BU a university of excellence characterized by scarce engagement for the community towards sustainable development. However, in order to reach greater heights, we must constantly innovate, sustain the leadership for transformation and distinctive excellence, and re-engineer programs so that we would be able to address emerging challenges and opportunities for the university. So friends, together, we're going to pursue our vision of making BU a world-class university, producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development. In the next 4 years, God willing, and with the support of the BU community, we will pursue action plans, which I will mention some of them, revolving around 6 key strategic areas, one of which is responsive and efficient academic governance, which means that we have to continually restructure the university to enhance its efficiency. We have to also partner with the private sector in implementing our various programs. The second area which I would like to focus on is market-driven and relevant academic programs, for which we have to review, develop, and implement programs that will address market needs in the light of the ASEAN integration and K-12 program. We should also continue accrediting our programs and join the World University Ranking to see for ourselves where we stand among the elite universities around the world. The third area which I would like to focus is on strengthening the foundation for a research university. With these friends, we plan to create and implement more R&D centers, commercialize R&D outputs, and partner with the private sector along the process. The fourth area which I'd like to focus is on support for personal welfare and development. One of these will be the expansion of the benefits for scholarship. We have to enhance the merit and promotion system. We also have to pursue housing plan for BU personnel in partnership with the LGU and the private sector, only to mention a few. The fifth area would be on enhancing the support for our students. We have to build and modernize facilities in support of our students, like building a student union building that would house all recognized student organizations guidance office, OSS, job placement office, etc., etc. We should also build dormitories, tambayan areas, student lounges, so that our students will not be staying in the classroom when they don't have any more classes. And finally, we have to upgrade and modernize our physical infrastructure facilities if we want to achieve this vision of becoming a world-class university. Friends, the road to excellence is replete with daunting barriers and the huge expectations of what BU must become in the future. But the road to greatness, it starts with a single step. And I am honored to take you on this journey to greatness. Starting 2015, let us join together in this journey. The best is yet to come. Thank you.